market. This dried fish, I'm so pissed because it wasn't cheap. I got water leaf. I want to make okazi soup. I got beef. This is beef. I got curry leaf. I love this a lot. I got little stock of fish because I'm the only one. It's okazi leaf, crayfish, tomatoes, plantain, cucumber, apple, and lemon. I want to make okazi soup. I want to complete these beans that I was making, and I also just want to meal prep generally for the week so that I don't have to spend so much on food this week. I wanna know the story.